Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. Hope you're doing well. I've got a 2019 Pete 389 glider kit fired up. Got it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around for you, showing you old pressure blow by. Underneath the hood, frame rails. You'd be seeing it like you're standing here looking at it. Hope you enjoy the video. On the low side. About 45 on the high side. It's built with a factory Detroit Reman 12.7 liter, 13 speed. So we got 257,000 miles on it. Really cool paint scheme on it as well. Not really any blow by either. Basically new Michelin's all the way around. Disc brakes as well. About as loaded of a glider kit as you're going to get. Appreciate you watching. If you need anything, you can hit me up anytime at 901-896-4526. Thanks, guys.